Hello friends, welcome to another amazing session of Excel tutorials. In today's session, we will discuss how to make a Gantt chart. We will discuss what a Gantt chart is, how it is made and why it is made. A Gantt chart is a type of bar chart that illustrates a project schedule. It was named after the inventor Henry Gant, who designed this chart in around year 1910. A Gantt chart basically is used while you are making any kind of project and wherein you want to showcase the task and the duration taken by those tasks. This chart lists the tasks to be performed on the vertical axis and time intervals on the horizontal axis. The width of the horizontal bars in the graph shows the duration of each activity. Gantt chart illustrates the start and the finish date of all the tasks and the activities when you are performing your project. So, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you are watching your own YouTube channel Universal Paji. So without wasting any more time, let's start making the Gantt chart. So to make a Gantt chart, I have shown my data here on the screen wherein you can see that these are the task name. This is the start date of individual task and this one is the end date of the respective task. So these tasks can be anything while you're performing your project or making your project, like starting the define phase or development phase, the designing phase or any kind of phase. It depends on you. So just to keep it simple, I have just named it as task A till task F. So these are the dates. So the first of all, what I will do, I will find the duration of each task by using the formula is equal to end date minus or subtract the start date. So this will give me the duration in days. So what I'll do, I'll press Ctrl D. If you have not seen my previous videos, I request you to go and watch those videos wherein we have discussed the various kind of formulas and the important shortcuts which you can use while working on Excel. Okay, so I have received the duration of each task. So what I will do, I will select the start date here. I will click on insert. I'll click on recommended charts, click on all charts here and I'll select the stack bar. Okay, so this one is very important. Click on bar here and then stack bar, click on OK. Let me maximize it. Okay, so you can see that the bar chart is here. Now what I will do, I'll click on these blue bars, right click on it, click on select data. Here I'll click on add. Now it's asking me for two inputs. One is the series name and another is the series value. So I want to plot the duration here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll click in the series name, I'll click on the duration because that is something I want to display. This part is very important. So what I'll do, I'll delete whatever is coming in series values. So nothing is here, it's blank. And now I will manually select all the duration for all the tasks. Okay, I will click on OK. Once I'm on this select data source, I'll click on edit. Now I have to provide the axis label range. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select all the name of the task here and click on OK. Click on OK again. Alright, so you can see I have a beautiful bar chart here. Now what I'll do, I'll click on this blue bar once again, right click to it, format series. Here I will go to this series option fill and I'll click on no fill. Okay, so I can see that blue bar is gone and nothing is filled there. This is the 50% of the work is done for making the Gantt chart. Now I can see that these tasks are coming in different order. Okay, I want task A to be here and so forth. So what I'll do, I'll click on this task, right click on it, format axis. Here I'll have to select this categories in reverse order. This option, categories in reverse order. So these are in place, so I can see task A till task F the way I want. Now as you know, whenever you are selecting any date, Excel is using the number format. So what I have to do, I have to make the number format of the start date and the end date. So what I'll do, I'll copy the start date, I will paste it here, as simple as that. Similarly, this 11th of March, I'll paste it here. Okay, I pasted as value. You can also paste normally, and what I'll do, I'll click on the date and here I will select the number format. Okay, now why I have done this one is very important to give your bar chart the right look and to give it the correct look. So what I'll do, I'll click on this date part, right click on it, format axis. Here in minimum and maximum numbers, I will put this minimum and maximum date. So that's why, that was the only reason that I converted them into number. So what I will do, type in 43831 is the minimum number and maximum was 43901, so it would be 43901. all right, click on crosshair. So this one is the Gantt chart made in just say 3 odd minutes. Now if you want, you can add data labels here, so this will give you the duration taken by each task, the number of days. So by looking at this Gantt chart, one can easily understand that 7 days were taken by task A and 18 days were taken by task F, and it worked from from ending of this task till 11th of March. So you can see it was very easy to make a Gantt chart using the method or the steps that we have shown in our tutorial. So I hope you have liked this video, learned new thing, and please click on like button if you have liked the video. Please do subscribe to our channel because it motivates us to bring more and more content like this for you guys, and also helps us or encourages us to keep going. And let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, God bless you, bye bye.